Well, let's start with Mumbai. Let's go across to the Fortis Hospital in Mulund there. Ankita is there with us. Ankita, I see a lot of people behind you. They've all come forward. They're all trying to get people to come and sign the pledge. You also have with you Manish Paul, I think, I can see with you. Over to you, Ankita.
Absolutely. He's right here with me. In fact, as you can see, there are teachers, students and professionals, doctors and nurses from all walks of life. We have with us actor Manish Paul, who is here to flag off this event. Thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure. Thanks for calling me.
Right. So Manish, to start off, firstly, I mean, you have a wide outreach on social media, fans, followers. How do you personally feel about spreading awareness when it comes to organ donation? How have you been doing your bit?
See, that's the big reason why I'm here, because I totally believe that I think people need to be more aware of that. I read somewhere, and I want to tell everybody, an organ donor can, save up to 8 lives. If you donate your tissues, you can save up to 50 more lives. So I think this is great. So I think we need to be more aware of that, and this is all very safe. So that is somewhere people lack the knowledge. I think we need to know more on that.
All right. So, Doctor, you also have been an integral part of this. So, when it comes to convincing people, for that matter, donating organs or spreading awareness in general, how can we just go ahead and, ensure that people do their bit when it comes to spreading awareness?
We've been in this cause of organ donation as a hospital, and we've been leading it, and we've actually been living the role of convincing people to donate organs and saving lives. And when you're able to talk to people and explain to them what difference they make to other people's life, it's amazing how people do participate and want to voluntarily come and donate organs. In fact, I would share that the number of organs which have been donated and the families which have come up for organ donation this year has far exceeded the previous years, and there are people from very simple beginnings, humble origins, who just come forward and want to come forward and save lives. Amazing response we are seeing, and it's wonderful to have these kind of initiatives where we can get the message across to a larger number of people.
That's great. So have you too pledged your organs?
I think today's day, वो कहते हैं जब जागो तब सवेरे. So I think today is the beginning, and I think I'll definitely be sitting with her and knowing more on that. Yes.
All right, ma'am. So coming back to you, in terms of the myths, let's say most of the patients come to you asking, I'm sure they would question you that what are the myths? I mean, what are the myths that you come across usually when people have queries?
It's sometimes a little religious belief. It's sometimes a little worry about, a big worry people really have, is families have, is the patient really dead? It's brain dead. So understanding the difference between what is brain dead and truly dead is sometimes a worry of families. So that's the area we really talk to them about. And, even the religious myths we break away. But I must say that people are rising up, understanding and responding very well.
All right. So what have you seen around you? Let's say not just celebrities for that matter. Many of them are coming forward, pledging their organs, spreading awareness on the social media.
Mm-hmm. See, I can see so many people here who are here to walk in the morning. So I think all these people are getting aware, and not only that, people watching there will be getting aware. So I think that is more important, and that's why we are all here.
All right, great. So on that note, let's flag off today's walkathon. So Manish, could you do us the honors?
Absolutely, ma'am. Would you like to join me, please? All right. So I think we all are ready, and there we go.
So on that note, the walkathon flags off here from the Fortis Hospital at Mulund.